Hello friends, today we are going to talk about colors in HTML. So first of all, I wanted to tell you that HTML allows you to express colors in hexadecimal values that are from 0 to 1, then we go to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then we move on to A, B, C, D, E and F. So you see there are 16 characters, and through these only we can express colors in HTML. Okay, so colors are displayed in combination of red, blue and green light. This forms RGB value. Let me show you the image. Yes, so you see, yes, the hexadecimal values are started using hashtag. You must be knowing with this symbol, which are followed by 3 or 6 hexadecimal characters. As shown in this picture, these 3 colors can form many new colors. These are some examples. Okay, so all of the possible colors from red, green and blue combination are over 16 millions. So I will just show you very few of them. So one is hashtag FFF000, which will form red color. This is I will show you this on Python because we can directly see the results. So let's go on Python and see these in the action. Python takes some time to open. So now we open a file. Okay, I don't remember any file name, so let's go and open it via this. It must be in document only. So here we are, and let's go to books, then we go up to programming, then we go to Python, and here we are. So we open up with forgetting where I stored those files. Okay, those are not here, they are not here, they are document, no, books, HTML stories. So let it be. I just tell you that where can we form it. So this color shows you red color, which would appear somewhat like this. Okay, and this value would, the next value, that is 000, double F and 00, will allow you to put green color, which will appear up like this. Okay, now let's move on. On this value, that is hashtag 4 times 0, 2 times F, will give you blue color. That would be like okay, and the last and the very important is 6 times F, which will give you green color, white color. So this is how you can form colors in HTML. Now how do we have to use it in HTML? So it's very easy. So I will show you it using HTML tags. So first of all, let's increase the font size, turn it to 18, I guess. Now we start with HTML tag, then we go to head, close this tag, Then we start with body. And from here you can change the background color of your image. So let's say I want to change background color of my image to, let's say, yellow or blue. So I would change this to 4 times 0 and 2 times 9. So now the background color of my HTML page has turned blue. And now let's say we want to change font color. So we will use font attribute. So we will use font attribute to give our font a new color. So let's start with it and type up font over here. Then we go to color. Then we give it, let's say, we will give it white color. Then we will have to type 6 times F. And then let's say we type something. So that would be in the color of the thing that we have described over here. So let's say white heading. So this thing will appear white in our HTML page. And then we close the font tag, we close the body tag, we close the HTML tag. Okay, now let's save and run this file to see accurate results. So this is how. So it will ask because so now let's see results. So here we are on the videos. So this is the thing which I was talking about. Why isn't it showing? I must have made some mistake. Let's see what is that mistake. Okay, I told you HTML is very sensitive language. So even a space that is not required makes a difference. And it makes a huge difference. So let's now save and run this to see the results. You see, here we have with white heading surrounded by blue color. I will zoom it to make you understand better. You see, we have white heading over blue color as I mentioned over here. So friends, this was how you can change the HTML colors. Thank you friends for watching my video. Thank you for supporting me. Keep watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.